All right, so this is an update to the last Stargate video. Show me the ring on the back of the Stargate itself that you made.
So this is the back ring with ball bearings.
Yeah, let me show the ball bearings here. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, and they go all around, right? And then you had to put a worm gear thing on the back of the, because you made the ring first, right?
Right.
With all the symbols,
gear
right?
on the back of the glyph ring.
On the glyph ring, yeah. Okay, so you made that, and you said you had to eventually you had to super glue that because
they weren't joining smoothly.
They weren't joining smoothly. Okay,
so
all right.
I kind of machined that a little, sanded that, glued it together and sanded it, so now it runs nice and smooth around the
look at that.
ring.
It's so cool, so cool. Okay, all right. So then
that big gear is run by a stepper motor with a gear on it. It's going to sit about here and spin the glyph ring.
This is so cool. It goes backwards and forwards too, right? So,
yeah, it should go.
Yeah, depending on what signal it's being sent. Okay, fine.
I don't have them yet, but this is the pattern for the mirrors, which goes in here.
Right.
And the LEDs go around.
Right, there's going to be there's a two-way mirror, and then there's just an acrylic.
There's a regular mirror and a two-way mirror.
A two-way mirror, yeah, and they're both acrylic. Okay, all right, cool. So then
the core ring has the stand that it actually sits on.
Sure. Well, when I first came in, we kind of had it put together. We want to just maybe put all the pieces together and see what it looks like standing up. I mean, we're nowhere near done yet, but we're making progress. It's actually pretty good.
The outer ring goes around here so you don't see all those nasty build marks.
It's so cool. Look at that. All right.
On the thing if you do it in the wrong order. So yeah, there we go.
All right, very cool. Okay. Now it all gets screwed down. All that would get screwed together. We have the screws for all that.
Hopefully it all gets screwed together and doesn't fall apart like it seems like it is.
And then on that side.
So it's going to fall off because
that's okay. Yeah,
standing up and not screwed in.
But we got it. We understand what's going on with that. You realize it's all going to be screwed together. Okay. So
that's sitting there.
Yeah, it makes perfect sense. Now the base itself, this is the Stargate, the SGC command base that you're building for me, because I've already showed them the picture of the base you built for yourself, for yours, and then of course all has to be painted and everything. This is just the start of all of it, but. Now I know in the TV show it goes around the back side as well. Does that?
This isn't going to go around the back side. You can do that if you really want.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I mean, so it's all about how it looks, just appearance wise. It's fine. Doesn't have to be made. That to be made to scale. So, you're not
a 20-foot one.
You're not Doc Brown. Sorry, Marty, I didn't have a chance to paint it and make it to scale. The car goes to the middle of town and catches on fire. Anyway. All right. Okay. Now what happened? What we figured out is you got to put this together first, and then all of this lines up better. So
yeah, we're not screwing it down. So
we're not screwing any of it down yet. This is just pieces are just kind of sticking together here. Okay, I got. There we go. Yeah. And you see how they are. One would screw down there, then there's room on there for the next piece to go on. And then that would be this piece here. Got a little, I'll have to take a little plastic, small brush and get all them little fiber hairs out of there. But and this goes here. Okay, good. There you go. There.
Yeah.
Up.
Hit that corner.
I got it right there for you.
That other corner. Top corner.
Oh, right here. Oh,
Yeah. There you go.
there you go. Okay. All right, and then there is one piece that has a little lip on it that goes like so. And then there's the steps, which we haven't figured out which way they're supposed to go yet, but I think they're supposed to go this way. One there. One there. Oh, like that. And then we have the side rails, and the side rails have indents in them. And you said you've already made clear covers for these.
I haven't made it yet.
But you're gonna 3D print clear covers. So I was just put some small LED light strips in there, and then you have.
Yeah, that's not gonna stay. Oh, it is. Yeah.
Here's the top one right here. Up. Okay. Well, you guys get the idea anyway. So it's like a puzzle. Yeah. See, that's gonna definitely. Oh, there you go. Anyway, I think you caught enough of that to see. And then over here,
This is where the pillars are gonna go that hold the power clamps.
right. And there's two, right? I mean, there's an upper and lower on each
Upper
side.
one that's gonna be going about here.
Yeah, that is just so incredibly cool. Yeah. So there you go. So this is the progress we're making now. We still got to work on the electronics. That's going to be my job, and that's going to be later once we get this put together, I think, and ready for the electronics. And then here's the D. Now you bought the DHDs already made, right?
I bought the PC board for
The PC board for it, but you
printed all the rest of it.
printed all the rest of it, right?
You can see I printed it.
Yeah, and these all light up when it's all ready and the power's in there. These push down and they light up and they communicate with the Stargate, and the Stargate spins. There we go, right there. Here's the other one. There's mine. Got my little BMW Mooney symbol on it. So anyway, so when you push them, they light up just like they do in the TV show, and then the gate will spin, and then the chevrons will open and close and light up as they dials each one of the address symbols. And then the mirror lights up and spins, and I'll put the video at the end of this so you can see what that looks like. But there you go. Great progress. Thanks, Jeff.
No problem.
I'm not sure who's having more fun, me looking at it or you making it. But there you go. Maybe the next update will be one that's actually working. I think that'd be very cool. So we'll make that our next update. Thanks, guys.